Hello friends, today we will show Colbert Italy make electrical screwdriver sold by India Enterprises. Colbert Italy is well known brand all over world as these are mainly used with PLC interface. India Enterprises are authorized channel partner for sale and providing service support all over India. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Colbert Italy make electrical screwdrivers. Now you can see Colbert Control Unit model EDU2 AE with screwdriver model Pluto 3D. You can also use total 15 different types of Colbert screwdriver models with this controller according to your torque range requirement. At present, we are using Pluto 3D which has torque range of 0.5 to 3 Newton meter and rotation speed varies from 370 to 1300 rpm. You can select torque range and rotation speed as per your application. Now we will provide brief introduction about control unit, how to operate, torque settings, rotation settings and other features. First we will switch on the unit. An on-off switch is provided at the back side of the control unit. A 230-volt power supply is needed. You can also see there are two green color connectors on the backside panel for interface with PLC, and their mating connectors for connection will also come along with unit. And one 9-pin serial port is also provided to print the results digitally of each screwing. On front side, you can see LCD display which shows set parameters. On left top, model Pluto 3 is being displayed. Below that, S denotes speed of screwdriver in RPM, which is 1300 RPM now. On right top, T denotes torque in percentage. We can select torque as per our requirement. Next is screw counter, which shows set number of screws. And below ready status is being displayed, which shows screwdriver is ready for operation. Then on top there are three LEDs for signals. First is OK. When screw tighten properly as per set parameters, green light will glow and status will show screw OK. Second option is end. When set number of screws are tightened in job, yellow light will glow and status will show program end. Third option is not OK. Whenever screw is not tightened properly, then red light will glow and particular error will be displayed on screen. Also you can see there are four buttons: escape, OK, up and down. With the help of these buttons, you can set the parameters according to your requirement. For setting parameters, please press and hold escape button for 2 to 3 seconds. It will enter into main menu. First is program settings and second is unit options. With the help of up and down buttons, you can select either program settings or unit options. Now we will select program settings and press OK button. It will further enter into program settings. First option is model. In this option, you have to select model number of screwdriver you want to use. After selecting the desired model, press OK button. In our case, we have selected Pluto 3, which is for screwdriver model Pluto 3D. Second option is ramp. You can select slow start time acceleration from 0.3 to 3 seconds. Third option is torque. In this option, you can select the desired torque in percentage of the torque range of selected screwdriver. Next option is fourth option, time fast speed. It indicates how long the screwdriver should turn or tighten the screw at fast speed. This fast speed time can be set from 0.3 to 10 seconds. Now, fifth option is fast speed. In this option, we can set the speed of the screwdriver in RPMs. Fourth option is time fast speed. In this option, you can set how long the screwdriver should turn at fast speed. This fast speed time can be set from 0.3 to 10 seconds. Next option is fast speed. In this option, we can set RPM of the screwdriver at which it will move fast. Next option, sixth number option is final speed. In this option, after moving fast speed, it will go into final speed. In this option, we can reduce or increase the speed in RPMs. Seventh option is runtime. You can set the time of tightening from off to 20 seconds. When the preset time has been reached, it results in a torque signal. This runtime can only activated when maximum time is set to 20 seconds. Now you can see we will set the maximum time from off to 20 seconds. Now we set the time to 20 seconds. Now we can change the runtime time to preset time in between off to 20 seconds. Next is option number 8, minimum time. In this option, we can set the minimum time from 0.1 second to 0.9 seconds. Minimum time function is used to set the minimum time to tighten the screw for set minimum time. When we tighten the screw and if it is below the set minimum time, it will give error. Option number 9, maximum time, we already explained to you. Next option is number 10, which is auto reverse. This option will automatically start a reverse after torque is reached. You can set the time from 0.1 to 20 seconds. Next option is reverse torque. This option will be activated when auto reverse time is activated. In this option, we can select the desired torque at which it will reverse the screw. Option number 12, it is reverse speed. You can select any reverse speed value of the screwdriver in RPM. This option also will be activated after activating the option number 10, auto reverse. Option number 13 is pre-reverse. You can set a reverse before a screwing. Time can be set from off to 20 seconds. बोलने Option number 14, PV torque. In this option, period of time in which the screwdriver works at maximum torque before switching to torque that has been set by the user. You can set the time from 0.1 to 10 seconds. After setting the time, you can press OK button. This PV torque option can be used where we have to tighten a long screw. In that case, we can screw the tighten the screw at maximum speed for some level. Next option number 15, rotation. In this option you can choose between right tightening standard screws or left tightening left threaded screws. Option number 16, calibration. In this option, if calibration is off, then display will not show torque value on the screen. If this value is on, it will allow the screen to show the achieved value of torque. Next option is compensation. In this option, we can compensate the torque value on screen if there is difference between set value and actual value, and this can only be activated if we will calibrate the unit before this. Next option is minimum torque. In this option we can set the minimum torque. Suppose if we set the actual torque to 1.5 nm, then we can set window in this options in option number 18 and 19. Option number 18 and 19, minimum torque and maximum torque. In these options, the minimum torque and maximum torque options allows the user to set the acceptable torque range for each single application. When the reached torque is inside this range, tightening OK will be displayed on the status bar and green LED will light up. If the reached torque is outside this range, the messages error minimum torque or error maximum torque will be displayed. You can set the torque range from 0 to 40 nm. The minimum torque option allows to set the lowest torque value of the torque range, and maximum torque option allows to set the higher value of the torque range. And this option can only be activated if calibration is on. Next option is option number 20, screw numbers. This option acts as a screw counter. You can set the number of screws from 1 to 99. If the number of correct screws is equal to the number of set screws, then program end will appear on the status bar and yellow LED will light up. To exit from the program menu, press escape button. Now we will move to unit options. First option is language. In this option, we can select the different languages: English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. Next option is version. In this screen, you can see the version of PCB boards mounted inside the unit. Next option is cycles. Number of total screwing done with this unit can be seen here. Option number 4, change password. In this option you can change or set the new password. Default password is 4 times 0. Option number 5. In this option you can switch off or switch on the password. If password is switched on, then operator cannot change the parameters because unit will ask for password to enter before changing the parameters. Next option is unit. You can switch between unit of measurements which are nm, inch, lbs and kgf centimeter. Option number 7, press OK. When on, press OK button at the end of each screwing is required. When off, the control unit resets automatically after a screwing. Option number 8, press escape. When on, escape button to reset the control unit is required. When off, the control unit resets automatically after a error signal. Press escape button 2 times to exit from the settings. It will display the home screen. Now we will demonstrate how to operate the screwdriver. Now you can see after screwing one screw, it is showing OK and torque is being displayed on the screen. Now we will tighten the second screw. In this case, OK and both LED light up and display is showing program end. Please see how we can change the screwdriver bit. We have to press the collar and fit new bit and release the collar. Thanks for watching the video.